Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Msmetics. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to be creating this Ankara inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieved it, please keep on watching. I'm going to be starting with my brow. I'm going to be using my Davies pencil, and I'm going to be using it to outline and fill in my brow. For brow tint, I'm going to be using this one from Yanga Beauty. It's called the browlific brow tint. No, brow base. All the products that I used will be in my description box, so please check it out. So to highlight my brow, I'm going to be using my concealer. That's the Lagirl concealer in the shade Cool Tan for the brow bone area, and I'm going to be using the shade Toast for the brow tail and the beginning of the brow. So that's the shade Toast for the top of my brow. Now for the beginning of the brow, I'm using the shade Toast, which is a darker shade compared to the Cool Tan shade that I used for the brow bone area. Now I'm going to try to blend everything together using my blending brush. So guys, I tried to zoom in this video just because I want you guys to have a good view of what I'm doing. I'm repeating the same process with the other brow. So guys, I've gone off camera to figure out the look I want on this other eye. So now I'm going to be doing this eye on camera. Now I'm going to be using my Blossommakeup palette. It's called the African Queen palette. Guys, I really love the color variation in this palette. I like the vibrant colors. I like the nude colors. I like the shimmers, everything, guys. So to prep my eyelid for the colors, I'm going to be using my Bennye Clown White. It's a white base. So for my transition color, I'm going to be using that shade called Chioma. It's a green shade. It's a light green shade. I'm going to be using it as my transition color. The next color I'm going to be using is the shade Camphor. It's a purple shade. I'm going to be blending it into the green shade. Now I'm using my Bennye Clown White to cut my crease. I'm going to be taking that white shade as my first color. The shade Abiba is going to be the first color. It's a white shade. The next color I'm going to be using is that lime green shade. It's called Rashida. The next color would be our transition color, the transition shade we used, the shade Choma. It's also a green shade. Now I'm taking that black shade to mimic a wing line. Very pigmented, guys. Yeah. Then I'm going to be using the purple shade as the fourth color. It's going to be on the black shade. So I'm using my blending brush to blend the colors together. Now I'm using my pencil liner to draw a wing line. For lashes, I'm going to be using my Msmetics lashes in the style Cora. Moving on to the skin, I'm using my wet wipes, and I also use my micellar water to clean my face. Now I'm using the Zikel gold serum, 24K gold serum, as a moisturizer. To further moisturize, I'm going to be using my Msmetics moisture potion. For foundation, I used my Zikel foundation and my Juvias Place Magic foundation. I used the shade Togo for Juvias Place and Sexy Almond for Zikel Cosmetics. So I mixed the two shades to get my perfect shade. Now I'm going to be using a damp beauty sponge to further blend the foundation and to also remove excess foundation from the face. Now to highlight, I'm going to be using my Lagirl concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to be using it to highlight my face. For contour, I'm using my Lagirl concealer in the shade Mahogany. I'm going to be using it to contour my face. We're going to be using it to snatch the face. Now to set my highlight, I'm going to be using the Blossom Eye Definition Setting Powder in the shade Banana. I'm going to be using it to set my face, to set the highlighted area. So guys, I lost the remaining part of the video. I'm really sorry. The part where I powdered my face and also set my contour and used my lipstick, I lost those parts, so I'm really sorry for the incomplete video. I just wanted to still put it out for the people who want to see how I achieved the eyeshadow application. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.